I'm an environment engineer. As an environment engineer, our job is to ensure that human health and ecological health are protected as we develop our societies. We try to aim for that sustainable balance in everything that we do. My path has led me to work on water, specifically, water quality related to drinking water and also wastewater. For most of us in the United States, right, if you were to go to the bathroom, you would basically flush and forget. It's a very unremarkable event. But that's not the case for billions of people around the world who don't have the same sanitation or hygiene infrastructure that we have in this country. It also is a tremendous public health hazard, and it's very damaging to the environment, say when human waste enters the environment, like a river. So when I started at USF in 2005, I started to think about, there's this technology that I worked on during my postdoc called the anaerobic membrane bioreactor. And it's a really cool technology, very compact, it's very sustainable, it can turn waste into a resource. Why can't we implement the anaerobic MBR as a small-scale, on-site waste treatment technology to basically, bring better quality of life to billions of people around the world? So the idea that we were pitching, or we were envisioning, was that there would be this modular box that would be very portable, it would be automated, and the other criteria is that it has to be entirely solar powered, and it has to turn dirty water into clean water. And along with that, we're going to extract renewable energy, from the wastewater. We're going to extract nutrient fertilizers from the wastewater. So this idea that we had was called the NEW Generator. It stands for Nutrients, Energy, Water Generator. Right. So we started to develop this. We got the initial funding. So I put together a team of students, of graduate students, undergraduate students, and say, let's go at it. Let's build this thing. So we started by having systems in our lab, and then a system in the field at a local school, and then we went on to India, the southern part of India, and there we deployed our first new gen system outside the country. And we were able to put the system inside a school that previously didn't have flush toilets. So we put our system there, and coupled with our Indian partner company that provided an electronic toilet that was automated, and it flushed itself, it cleaned itself. It did all of that, but our job was to take the wastewater that comes out of these electronic toilets, and we recycled it. We recycled the water so that it could be reused, essentially creating sort of a closed loop sanitation system. We created a platform where we could test and demonstrate our technology in an actual context in the community. And this really accelerated the development of the technology of the NEW Generator. And we showed that over several years, the technology works, it works well. And we're eventually attracted the interest of commercial entities. So the NEW Generator has been commercialized in India and South Africa. So we have partners there that have licensed the technology from USF, and they're manufacturing these technologies and selling them.
Since 2012, with support from the Gates Foundation, Daniel has led the development of the NEW Generator technology at the University of South Florida. Now, this breakthrough technology treats wastewater to a safe quality for reuse. It revolutionizes sanitation in underserved communities globally. From field trials in India to schools in South Africa, Daniel has navigated the NEW Generator technology through complex challenges across continents. He never lost sight of his initial vision. His multi-year journey is a testament to his dedication to his invention and his tenacity in the face of setbacks and roadblocks.
Throughout this journey, there's been a number of key people, students, postdocs, who made all of this possible, right? But there's one individual that really stood out, as I think without him, NEW Generator wouldn't have happened, and that's Robert Baer.
As a mentor, Daniel has always encouraged creativity in design, helping others, and becoming the best scientist and engineer that one can be. A section of every meeting seems to turn into a brainstorming session where he pulls insights and innovations from other fields and merges them into new and creative solutions. All of his students, myself included, have been brought along that process of ideation and co-creation. Daniel has a brain that just doesn't quit. It's not uncommon to receive emails at 2 or 3 in the morning when he's had some grand epiphany that he just can't contain. He's the quintessential inventor. His lab, the perfect balance of a little bit of chaos, deep technical expertise, and a strong dissatisfaction with the status quo.
So I think I really learned the power of observation from my father. And he is an inventor, and he always said, if something isn't working the way you want it to, you're probably just using that in the wrong way. So outside the lab, I would say, probably what I enjoy doing with my time is just spending time with my family. My wife Allison, my children Sydney and Ethan. Without them, nothing I do would have any meaning. During this entire journey working on the new generator and other projects, it wasn't all smooth sailing. There was a lot of setbacks along the way. That one's constant, throughout all these ups and downs has been my wife Allison. Really, without Allison, this inventorship journey wouldn't have happened.
Dr. Daniel Ye is not just an inventor. He embodies hope for sustainable development. His work, passion, and vision make him an exemplary inductee into the Florida Inventors Hall of Fame. He's going to inspire future generations to continue the fight for a cleaner, safer planet.